You can see how disgusting my Keurig coffee maker is. We've had it for over a year and never cleaned it. So I was sent these active coffee cleaning pods by the brand for free, and they are a 12-month supply. Here is the cup. They're very simple to use. Instructions on the back of the box. They clean, deodorize, and refresh. All you have to do is turn on your Keurig or your single cup coffee machine and wait for it to heat up, and then stick this pod in and run it through. And what you want to select is you want to select the largest amount and allow the water to run through this pod as it does its cleaning magic. And once it's done, you can see there are a lot. It's very dirty, and you can see the cleaning agents there. And after you do that, you actually just want to run pure water through. So make sure your reservoir is full and select the largest size again to run through the hot water to further rinse the machine and the internal components. And you can see it's definitely cleaner. Makes it very easy to wipe up the rest of the gunk on here like I did. It was very simple, very quick, as well as the top around that needle. And there in the cup area, it's much cleaner now. I decided to actually run another one through. You don't have to, but just for safe measure, just to get it through a clean again. As you can see, there's still some residual thing. And then after rinsing it with water once again, I put in my regular coffee pod and enjoy a much better tasting coffee. And it actually ran a little bit faster because there wasn't as much gunk in there. And this is going to be a good cup of coffee. So I highly recommend this active coffee cleaning pods.